Just give it a brief description, and it delivers a complete brand identity package. From logo and product packaging to store visuals, social media posters, and investor pitch decks, even commercial videos. All done on a single canvas. Enough talk. Let's try this game-changing design agent. Open the chat, pick logo and brand skills. Remember, the richer the background you provide, the more soulful its designs become. In under a minute, it presents several logo options. Don't like it? Just ask to change the shape. It tweaks until you're satisfied. At this point, your brand's visual DNA is set. Now, witness the magic. Follow the simple prompts, and a full brand package unfolds automatically. What used to take weeks and cost thousands now finishes in seconds. Best part? You get editable designs, not just static images. This is where it truly shines. Want a different product angle? Click here, drag the camera, and multi-angle shots appear. Need to adjust text? Click and edit right here. Only the text changes, everything else stays. Click Edit Element, and the entire layer breaks down. Edit foreground, background, or text freely. You can even direct AI for precise edits. Use the Mark tool, click to identify subjects, then type how to tweak the details. It's like leading a top-tier design team. Now feed your story to the agent and watch your brand come to life.